Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add your Cash App to PlayStation Store. I'll show you step by step how you can add your Cash App card to PlayStation Store. First of all, you need to log into your account. Then you need to click this profile icon in the top right, and you need to go to the payment management. After that, you need to click add payment method, and we need to use add a credit debit card function right here. So basically our Cash App card is Visa card, so we need to enter our Cash App card information right here. So you need to enter your card number, then you need to enter the card holder's name, expiration date, and CVV, guys. So once you will enter all of the information, then you need to click the next button and your Cash App card will be linked to your PlayStation Store account. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this short video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.